Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a soft and moist chocolate cake at home using just a whisk. Okay, no mixer is required for this recipe, and this recipe is very simple and perfect for even beginners. Guys, look at this cake. It's very soft and moist and delicious as well. So let's get right into it. To start, we are going to preheat our oven to 175 degrees Celsius. So to a bowl, I'm going to add in our dry ingredients. You need to mix the dry ingredients first. And so I'm going to sift my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. I'll continue to add my sugar. I'm going to be leaving the ingredients with the various measurements in the description box, so do well to check it out. Okay, I then went in with some unsweetened cocoa powder, followed by my baking powder. I'm going to go in with some baking soda as well, and then a little salt to balance the sweetness. Okay, now I'm going to mix everything together until all the dry ingredients are properly mixed. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to break in some eggs. I'll then go ahead and add some milk. I'm using low fat milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I'll then go ahead and add some vegetable oil. Some vanilla essence or extract for flavor. At this point, I'll go ahead and mix everything thoroughly until the mixture is perfectly combined and smooth. Okay, you don't need a mixer for this. A simple whisk works perfectly. I'll then go ahead and add the wet ingredients to the dry ones. I'll continue to stir with my whisk until the batter is smooth and everything is properly combined, just like this. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and add some hot water and I'll mix it slowly, okay, until the batter is smooth. The batter will look thin, and that's completely normal. Okay, so let's just do our mixing. And this is just the consistency that we are looking for. So in my prepared cake pan, I'm going to pour in my batter. I'll then bake this in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until your cake is completely cooked or a toothpick inserted into it comes out clean. Okay, that suggests that your cake is ready, right? So just like you are seeing in this video, just do that test and you are good to go. And so guys, our chocolate cake without a mixer is ready. Okay, and allow this to cool for some time, and this helps it keeps its soft texture. Okay, so I'm just going to flip that over my plate, remove my parchment paper, and then we go ahead and drizzle some chocolate syrup on this. Okay, you can use any topping of your choice, chocolate frosting, whatever cream, whatever you desire to use for this topping, please go ahead and use it. I'm just cutting the top because it wasn't even, so I'm just shaping it nicely. And guys, this is what we have. Okay, so that's my chocolate syrup being drizzled on it nicely, and then we are going to dig in. Okay, so let's cut and see how this goes. So guys, this is our soft, moist chocolate cake made at home in the comfort of your house. Okay, you do not need a mixer for this, just a whisk and you'll be good to go. Just look at how it looks. Tell me in the comment section if you are going to be trying this out. Okay, so guys, let's dig in. It's time for us to enjoy this amazing cake. So join me. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, this simple chocolate cake recipe, do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to Cap's Kitchen for more easy homemade recipes. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.